Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be an updated room tour, and I'm super happy. I cannot wait to show you guys how everything is looking so far. Still missing some curtains and also hang some things on the wall, but the reason why I haven't done anything yet is because I'm not sure how long I'm gonna stay in this apartment. If you want to see my updated room tour, just keep it watching. Alright guys, so that's all for this room tour. I hope you really enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, thumbs up this video, and also share with your friends. That's helped me a lot to grow my channel. And thank you for the new subscribers. I truly appreciate every single one, and because of that, I'm gonna have a giveaway for you guys. So the instructions are really simple. Just comment down below in this video where you're from and something about yourself, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.